Join me in the studio for this fantastic watercolour workshop where I show you how to paint an imaginary little fishing cove called Misty Cove. It's a lovely place to visit, quiet, secluded and tucked away in a quiet little corner of Cornwall. In fact, just perfect for us artists. You see how powerful a story is, you're already there, aren't you? And that's just one of the lessons you learn in this workshop. Learn just why storytelling is so important to your paintings. I'm also going to show you a fantastic weather effect that adds bags of atmosphere, but also helps to curb that desire that we all have to add lots of unnecessary detail. And as a bonus, it's also a fantastic way of covering up all those little mistakes that we make from time to time. This workshop is just over an hour long and takes you from a blank sheet of paper to a completed painting. Get lifetime access to this video on demand watercolour workshop today for just £25. I'll see you in the studio.